This is Colin from Debaru, push level 3 integrating with ZeroPark. So when you want to integrate with a traffic source, you need two things: lots of money and lots of business, because you need to be able to obviously buy that traffic, bring things to the next level. However, running traffic is what you're good at. Now we need to look at an increase of level 2 relationship management. We're going to take it to push level 3. So first, you need the baseline relationship management. You need to talk with your account managers. When you're spending 100K per month, you probably have 2 to 4 account managers on your side who you can ask questions. Maybe you have a key account manager, senior key account manager, depending on the available staff. You are important. You are spending lots of money, which means they are also making their margin and they are making money. Everybody makes money. So the baseline of communication in level 2 was that you talk with them every day. Do your little chit chat. How's the weekend? What are you doing this week? How's it going? How's business? How's life? How's your mom? How's your dad? How's your dog? All good. Just the baseline, touching upon the frequent topics, keeping that engagement going, having nice conversation. Very standard business stuff. However, now you need to increase your relationship management towards the win-win ratio. Meaning, you spend more, they earn more. You spend more, you win more because it's profitable, right? You want to keep that circle going. Meaning, if you spend more, they earn more. But if you spend more, sometimes you do not earn more. So they need to give you stuff like whitelist, back-end direct media buying to get more money, right? They have to give you the good stuff, and that is the increased relationship management. So you have to talk about other things. This is what's going well, this is what's not going well, I need this, I need that, or I'm looking for this, is this possible? What do you think about this? And if you're going through these steps, you might discover very unique opportunities. So something I ran into not too long ago was a $25,000 direct media buy, which didn't go through a traffic network. It went directly through the source, and the network took their margin. So I just paid the margin, and they got me directly in contact with the source where I could do a direct media buy. So I didn't have to bid. I just told them this is the amount of money which I want for this amount of clicks because I know your traffic is good. And they took it. And of course, I could never have done this if I didn't increase that relationship. They noticed what I was doing. They noticed the traffic network that I was spending more. And ZeroPark was very helpful. As soon as you show them what you can do, they also see the potential in you. It's not a one-way street, right? They also want to make money. So as soon as you create that win-win, are transparent and open, you might get these opportunities of direct media buys where you know you don't have to outbid people, the bid is fixed, and you just offer them a larger quantity. Because let's say you bid 10 cents for 1,000 clicks. If you say, I will give you 7 cents for 100,000 clicks per day, they might as well take it because they sell out, guaranteed, they take their margin, the direct media buy company takes their margin, everybody wins. But that would never be possible if you didn't speak out. You didn't know about those opportunities. I didn't know about these opportunities. But all these kinds of insider tricks, they are there. You just have to search for them, right? Then the next step is you have to step up to events. So for a lot of affiliates, this is a difficult part. Going out of your comfort zone, going into the great, big, scary world. Doing this, however, gets you recognized, gets you remembered, there are parties, funny things happen, and you have that human connection with that person you always talk to through your computer. Having this connection, not only with ZeroPark, but any of the partners on the relationship management basis, allows you to progress your relationship to the next level when you have that human spirit with you. When you show you are human too, it's not only all about business. Sometimes you can relax, you guys have fun, that's it. Now, when it comes to integrating with ZeroPark, you have to offer a full dedicated integration, which basically means that on a consistent basis, you send them traffic, right? This is 100K to 1 million a month in ad spend. They will offer you a key account manager, where you're probably at that point one of their most important customers. You can do back-end media buying, you can do direct media buys, you have full operational services of the ZeroPark platform in return of your guarantee of ad spend, right? Ad spend to traffic, which means that on the other hand, you can have higher caps on your offers because you know the amount of traffic that will come in and the quality of that traffic. All in all, the full dedicated integration means that you and your company move into a closer connection with ZeroPark. We call it full dedicated integration. Obviously, these companies are not merging, you guys are just partners. However, you have to see it then as one complete flow where there's only one action happening in between, and that is the exchange of money. As soon as that happens, that exchange of money, the flow becomes a lot more smooth. They take care of their responsibilities, you take care of your responsibilities. You probably have 10 people on it, they probably have 6 people on it, 5 to 6 people, and it is fully operational on a daily basis. There's communication daily, if not hourly, about all the progress. And I mean, 1 million a month, that's 35,000 a day in ad spend. That is a lot of money, of course. So having that option to progress, you have to start with the baseline relationship management. Then you increase it towards that win-win resemblance. So baseline, I would say anywhere from 0 to 10K. Increase relationship management, you're done in level 2, which brings you up to like 50, 100K. Then you go to the events, meet them in person, and you offer them a full dedicated integration, which is not like a formal offer. It's just moving, telling them your thoughts, your ideas, how you want to proceed with your business, and ask them at that point if they're open for this. Obviously, if they are looking for business, they would be more than happy to accept your offer. Good luck.